Go straight to your open the logo, because it's logo that I'm treating now. It could be any other thing, it could be image, but again, most times it's better that the image has a uniform background. All right. So you'll notice here, once you open it, you'll notice there's a key here. You need to unlock it first. What I normally do is I double click. Once I double click, it brings out a certain, a pop-up where you say, okay. So the next thing is to select this magic wand. It's called magic wand tool. Once you select it, you click on the white background. It has selected all the background, all the uniform background except the E, the O, the D, because they have a secluded area where you have white inside. What you need to do again is to hold your shift on your keyboard and click inside the O, the E, the D, the G, and the A, and we're good to go. Just hit the button, delete on your keyboard, and Control D to remove those lines. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click like, and also share.